Today we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, exploring some of the best options that cater to both gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. Whether you're a customization enthusiast or seeking top-notch performance, we've got you covered. Make sure to subscribe for more tech insights and check the video description for links to the featured products. Let's find the perfect mechanical keyboard for your setup. Number 1. The Keychron Q6 stands out as the top all-around mechanical keyboard we've tested. Featuring a gasket-mounted design, it offers a softer typing experience with shock-absorbing rubber pieces and sound-dampening foam layers. Named the best full-size mechanical keyboard, the Q series includes various sizes and layouts. Whether you're a programmer preferring compact keyboards like the Q3 or interested in the ergonomic split-key layout of the Q8, Keychron has a variety to choose from. Each keyboard in this lineup is fully customizable, allowing you to replace switches, sound-dampening material, stabilizers, or keycaps for a personalized experience. Number 2. The NuPhy Air75 V2 is a high-quality mid-range keyboard with a slim design and excellent wireless connectivity. Available on NuPhy's website, this compact mechanical keyboard features low-profile keycaps for a stable and pleasant typing experience. It's ideal for on-the-go use, supporting up to 3 devices through Bluetooth or USB receiver. While its battery life lasts a few days to a week depending on usage, NuPhy also offers size variations like the Air60 V2 and Air96 V2. Alternatively, the NuPhy Halo 75 provides a high-profile option with enhanced acoustics and typing experience, though it's less portable and comfortable without a wrist rest compared to the Air75 V2. Number 3. The KLUDGE RK61, an affordable option, is a lightweight and compact keyboard perfect for smaller workspaces or on-the-go use. With wireless connectivity supporting up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, it's cable-free except for charging. While its battery life is around 10 hours, the hot-swappable PCB lets you customize switches without soldering, enhancing the keyboard's lifespan. It also offers various wireless options and backlight colors, providing cost-saving choices for those not requiring RGB lighting or a USB receiver. Number 4. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is the go-to choice for gaming enthusiasts who prioritize customization. With magnet-based switches, it allows precise adjustments to each key's actuation and reset points, catering to varying sensitivities for gaming or typing. Offering features like low latency, USB pass-through, a wrist rest, volume knob, and an OLED screen for extra functionality, it provides a comprehensive gaming experience. Alternatively, if you seek a more compact option without some of these features, consider the Wooting 60 HE. It also offers precise customization, superior performance, and advanced software options, including the unique analog mode, making it ideal for flight, racing games, or any scenario requiring precision. Number 5. The glorious GMMK Pro, popular among gamers and keyboard enthusiasts, offers extensive customization options. Available fully assembled or as a bare-bones kit, the glorious website's configurator tool lets you choose plate materials, switches, PBT keycaps, aviator cables, and top plates in various colors. Designed for easy disassembly and modification, you can customize switches, stabilizers, and sound-dampening materials. While the variety of options may increase the price, it's a versatile choice for custom mechanical keyboards, lacking tools compared to our top pick, the Keychron Q6. Let me know in the comments which mechanical keyboard is your pick. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.